If your iPhone feels slower or your battery melts by noon, iOS 26 might be quietly sabotaging you. Let's fix that in under 60 seconds by turning off the most aggressive battery and data killers right now. First, Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, General Background App Refresh, and switch it to Off or Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from constantly updating in the background and chewing through battery and data for no reason. Next, push Email. In Settings, Mail Accounts, tap Fetch New Data and change Push to Fetch or Manual. Your phone will stop constantly pinging servers and instead check mail on a schedule, saving both battery and sanity. Now let's shut down the creepy tracking that follows you around inside iOS 26. Open Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Scroll down and set most apps to while using or never. Then tap System Services and turn off things like location-based ads and product improvement. This blocks Apple and apps from using your exact location to build detailed marketing profiles about you. Finally, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, and turn off all the data sharing toggles. With these iOS 26 settings off, your iPhone gets faster, your battery lasts longer, and your data stays yours. Hit save, share this, and lock your phone down today.